So we're off on a mission for salad dressing. Now I tell you guys all the time that you can get pretty much anything here in Hong Kong, but you can't always get it when you want it. And today is a perfect example. My kids want Wishbone Italian salad dressing, and that's not something that's stocked in the local stores. So I've got to go to the American grocery store downtown and hope to God the ship brought some in. We're on top of the peak. It's cold. I don't have my gloves. I don't know where they are. I have one, the other's at home somewhere. So the drone is in an update. This is annoying. The drone needs to update about once a month, and you never really find out until you want to go fly it, and you never really want to go fly it until you're, up on a mountain. So just sitting here waiting. 18%. 10 minutes later. I mean, seriously, it's been 10 minutes. Okay, just so you know, don't use the word seriously around an iPhone, because seriously sounds a lot like Siri.